Benefits of jaggery. Number 1, it adds heat inside the body. Number 2, boosts immunity within the body. Number 3, prevents constipation. Number 4, produce digestive enzymes. Number 5, prevent joint pain. Number 6, detoxifies the body. Number 7, prevents anemia. Number 8, helps in weight loss. How to use jaggery for weight loss? Number 1, jaggery has many benefits. Can it really help you lose weight? The answer is yes. Here are some tips on how to use jaggery for weight loss. Incorporate jaggery powder into your diet. One of the most effective ways to get the most out of jaggery powder benefits of weight loss is to incorporate it into your regular meals and snacks. How to use jaggery for weight? Jaggery has many health benefits, but can it really help you lose weight? The answer is yes. Here are some tips on how to use jaggery for weight loss. Number 1, incorporate jaggery powder into your diet. One of the most effective ways to get the most out of jaggery powder benefits for weight loss is to incorporate it into your regular meals and snacks. Try adding a tablespoon of jaggery powder to your morning oatmeal or smoothie, or sprinkling it over some fruit and yogurt. Number 3, jaggery instead of sugar in recipes. If you are looking to reduce your calorie intake, try substituting jaggery powder for white sugar in recipes. Slightly bitter taste of jaggery can add an interesting flavor to recipes, like cakes and muffins, as well as sweeten them naturally. Number 4, make a jaggery based drink. You can also make a jaggery based drink by boiling a teaspoon of jaggery powder in water until it dissolves. This drink can be consumed either hot or cold and helps reduce cravings of sugary drinks that often. 5, use jaggery for detoxification. Jaggery is known for its detoxification properties. It helps to clean the body and flush out toxins that can cause bloating. To get the best results, mix a tablespoon of jaggery powder with lemon juice and warm water and consume it first thing in the morning. Number 6, can I eat jaggery for weight loss? The answer is yes. Jaggery can be consumed for weight loss. It contains several minerals and vitamins that help boost the immunity, the metabolism, and improve digestion. Jaggery powder benefits include providing essential nutrients and fiber that can help with weight management, known to reduce sugar cravings, which may help you maintain a healthy diet plan. To get the most out of jaggery for weight loss, it's best to consume it in small amounts and combine it with a healthy balanced diet. 7, does jaggery help in weight loss? Jaggery is a natural sweetener derived from sugarcane and palm, but only recently has it gained attention for its potential health benefits. While it is certainly not a miracle weight loss product, there are some potential jaggery powder benefits that may help to support weight loss. Number 8, first, jaggery is lower in calories than refined sugars. This means that if you are replacing white sugar with jaggery in your diet, you may be able to reduce your overall calorie intake and help to support weight loss. Number 9, additionally, jaggery is high in several vitamins and minerals, including calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients can help to boost metabolism and energy levels, which can further aid in weight loss. Number 10, moreover, jaggery has a compound called fructose. Fructose is said to slow down the digestion process and prevent the body from changing carbohydrates into fat. This means that if you are consuming jaggery, you may be less likely to store carbohydrates as fat and lose fat, and also lose weight more quickly. 12. Finally, jaggery is high in antioxidants and dietary fiber, both of which can help to improve digestion and promote satiety. This can make it easier to stick to a healthy diet and resist cravings. Overall, jaggery powder can continually have some beneficial effects on weight loss. Benefits of jaggery is jaggery good for weight loss. Number 1, rich in nutrients. Jaggery is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals such as iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, selenium, and thiamine. It also contains of antioxidants and polyphenols that have beneficial effects on your health. Number 2, high fiber content. Good is high in dietary fiber, which helps to improve digestion and prevent constipation. This can be beneficial for weight loss and maintaining a healthy weight. 3, aids digestion. Jaggery helps to stimulate the digestive system and helps to break down food more efficiently. This can help to reduce gas and bloating. Number 4, blood purification. Good can help purify the blood by increasing its oxygen carrying capacity, which is beneficial for maintaining good health. Number 5, jaggery powder benefits. Jaggery powder is a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C helps boost the immunity system and protect against infections and disease. Number 6, boosts energy levels. Good contains natural sugars that provide a quick boost of energy when needed. Eating jaggery can also help prevent fatigue and exhaustion. Number 7, improves immunity. Eating jaggery can help strengthen the immune system and improve overall health. The antioxidants present in good also play an important role in protecting the body from disease-causing agents. Number 8, Jaggery for weight loss. Since jaggery is high in fiber, it can help improve metabolism and promote weight loss. The vitamin B present in jaggery helps to control appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy diet. How to use jaggery for weight loss? Jaggery has many health benefits, but can it really help you lose weight? The answer is yes. Here are some tips on how to use jaggery for weight loss. Incorporate jaggery powder into your diet. One of the most effective ways to get the most out of jaggery powder benefits for weight loss is to incorporate it into meals and snacks. Try adding a teaspoon of jaggery powder to your morning oatmeal or smoothie, or sprinkling it over some fruit and yogurt. Use jaggery instead of sugar in recipe. If you are looking to reduce your calorie intake, try substituting jaggery powder for white sugar in recipes. The slightly bitter taste of jaggery can add an interesting flavor to recipes. Benefits of jaggery. Number 1, boost the total count of hemoglobin in blood. 2, helps in maintaining blood pressure. Number 3, ability to purify the blood. It cleanses the blood, leaving your body health. Number 4, preventing joint and bone problems such as arthritis. Number 5, helps in the maintenance of proper functioning of the digestive system. Number 6, provides nourishment to every part of the body. Number 7, treating and preventing many skin problems such as acne and pimples. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Did you know benefits of jaggery? Number 1, nourish the skin. Number 2, treats acne and pimples. Number 3, controls blood pressure. Number 4, provides antioxidants. Number 5, prevents digestive disorders. Number 6, purifies blood. Number 7, prevents anemia. Number 8, treats menstrual problems. Number 9, improves sperm quality and production. Eat healthy, stay healthy. To buy pure jaggery, number 1, it should be free from crystals. Number 2, it should not taste bitter. Number 3, it should not taste salty. Number 4, it should be dark brown in color. Number 5, it should be hard and not break easily. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Benefits of jaggery. Jaggery is one of the best cleansing agents for the body. Jaggery is one of the best cleansing agents of the body. It efficiently cleans the respiratory tract, lungs, intestine, stomach and food pipe. Eating good amount of jaggery is highly recommended for people working in highly polluted areas. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Sugar and jaggery. Sugar releases a burst of energy. Number 1, releases a burst of energy. Number 2, cooling in nature. Number 3, processing treatment with charcoal. Number 4, texture solid and crystalline. Number 5, color white. Number 6, composition sucrose. Jaggery. Number 1, benefit of jaggery: prevents anemia. Number 2, releases energy slowly. Number 3, cleanses stomach and respiratory tract. Number 4, texture semi-solid and softer than sugar. Number 3, texture semi-solid and softer than sugar. Color yellow to brown. Composition sucrose and trace of minerals. Jaggery powder. Number 1, jaggery powder activates digestive enzymes that aids in digestion. Number 2, it acts as a detox as it helps cleanse the liver and flushing out nasty toxins from the body. Number 3, jaggery is loaded with antioxidants and minerals like zinc and selenium. Number 4, it helps boost resistance against infections. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Benefits of organic jaggery powder. Number 1, purifies blood. Number 2, filled with minerals and irons. Number 3, improves digestive process. Number 4, improves nervous system. Number 5, improves metabolism. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Jaggery. Beneficial jaggery. Love good. Here are all the reasons why jaggery is good for you. Number 1, natural sweetening agent. Number 2, relieves joint pain. Number 3, treats menstrual problems. Number 4, nourishes the skin. Number 5, provides instant energy. Number 6, weight loss at Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.